So external jugular vein, external jugular vein, internal jugular vein, tongue, common carotid arteries. Then they go into the internal carotid artery and the external carotid artery. Remember, in the arteries they are opposite. External and internal are opposite. Then we have the esophagus, is the one that we cut. I cut. Trachea, larynx, heart, ventricles, auricles, coronary artery is the red one in the middle of the heart, diaphragm, left and right lungs, superior vena cava, inferior vena cava, aortic arch, descending aorta is going to be above the diaphragm. Diaphragm is here, above the diaphragm, the red one. Pulmonary trunk, ductus arteriosus is where the aortic arch and the pulmonary trunk meet. Left and right subclavian arteries is the fatter one. Left and right, the fatter ones. Left and right subclavian veins. The left one is all mushy, so Professor said it's fine if we just show him the right, the fatter one, that is cut, thanks to me. Now, brachiocephalic trunk is going to be the first one coming out from the aortic arch. This is the aortic arch, the very first one, brachiocephalic trunk, or the artery. Brachiocephalic vein is going to be right above the the superior vena cava, exactly the V, right in the middle, before it turns into branches. Rib cage, liver, gallbladder is under the liver. Abdominal aorta is going to be below the diaphragm, so this is the diaphragm. It's going to be below it. Celiac trunk, follow the abdominal aorta. The first branch is going to be the celiac trunk. The second branch is going to be the superior or anterior mesenteric artery. The inferior mesenteric artery is going to be the small little thing right here. Renal arteries and veins. Renal artery, renal vein. Spleen. Remember the one with the yellow on it. Kidney. Helix is the center where the vein arteries and the ureter comes out. So these are the ureters. Urinary bladder is going to be right inside here in the hole. Urethra. Show him the hole. It's a tube inside the penis. Stomach. Small intestines. Larger intestines. Pancreas. Pancreas. Mesentery. You open up the small intestines, it's right here. Stuff that connects the small intestines together. Umbilical vein. external iliac artery, internal iliac artery, external iliac vein, internal iliac vein, where both the veins combine is a common iliac vein. Sorry. Femoral artery in the red, femoral vein right under it. Deep artery, femoral, in red. Right under it is the deep femoral vein. Umbilical arteries, there are two of them. Testes is the actual egg. Epididymis is what's surrounding the testes. Vas deferens is right here. Penis is the tube. Urethra is inside the penis.
And lastly,
And last, here you go. That's what you make me feel like.